Hi, I'm Bill and this is Becky.
Hello.
And today we're going to talk about how to replace the thermal switch on the Megahome distiller. So the tool, this is first of all the thermal switch, that's what it looks like. And we've got several tools, pair of scissors, needle nose pliers, and then 8mm spanner, which you can use either type. Let's carry on.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is remove the bottom plate. So unscrew the bolt, and there's a little washer on there. I tend to leave it on there, it's quite hard to pull off. If you do have a difficulty removing the bottom plate, just bash the sides of the distiller and that should help. Right, so the thermal switch sits behind the reset button. Okay, so we need to remove the old thermal switch. So you'll need your pliers, and you remove the two wires that are attached, the white wires that are attached on the side. And now I need to remove the old thermal switch. Just unscrew that bolt. Just got a screwdriver here. Just need to gently ease the old one off. Now, before you take it off, actually, you need to remove the reset button, which is it's not attached to the thermal switch, it's next to it. So I've removed all of that part, put that to one side, and you remove your thermal switch. So to put your new thermal switch on, what you do is you just open up your heat paste. Quite generous. And put it back. There is a little shelf on the side of the distiller where it sits on, and then you just replace the bolt. Don't over tighten this bolt. Then reconnect the wires. I tend to use my thumb as a bit of a kind of to push against here. And again, hold the other side. And you need to line it up so the thermal switch is right in the centre of the gap there. Now this is the tricky bit, putting the reset button back on. So you need to depress it and just, it's tricky, but it just pops over like that. Not actually attached. Okay, and then we replace the bottom plate. Thanks, Bill.